David Novak here with Remax Professionals. And if you're a car enthusiast or you have a bunch of toys and you're looking for a great home in the Littleton, Colorado area, well, look no further. Today we have a new listing going on the market at 7157 South Nelson Street. It has a 4-car attached garage and another 2-car attached garage. And this 4-car, you could easily add more lifts in there and make it an 8-car garage if you really need more room. We have the 2-car garage over here. This home's a 3-bed, 4-bath home. There is an additional room in the basement if you want to make one, or right now there's currently a bonus area. There is a bathroom down there. This home's been completely remodeled. Hardwood flooring throughout, granite countertops, stainless appliances. So come check this home out and feel free to reach out to me anytime today. Have a great day.